Good morning, my name is Ishaan. Today I'm going to tell you some tips and tricks on maths tables. Is it difficult to remember tables? Yes, it is. So now we are going to do some tricks and tips on tables. We are going to do 3, 6 and 7 table. 3 and 6 are interrelated, so that's why we have kept the tick-tock boxes side by side. So now this is a tick-tock box. There should be nine boxes in it. This is first row, second row, third row, and first column, second column, and third column. So now we are going to start with the third row, first column. One we'll write over here for ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now what are we going to do is, in the first row we are going to write zeros for tens place. 0, 0, 0. And for the second row we are going to write 1 for the tens place. 1, 1, 1. Like that we are going to write 2 over here. 2, 2, 2 and 1, 0. Now what are we going to do is we are going to write a 3 over here. This is the 3 table. As you can see, is 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24 and 3 9s are 27, and finally 3 10s are 30. Now I'm going to do the same things for ones, only ones. So what are we going to do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 and a 0. So for the tens place, as here 30 is written, we are going to use 3. 3, 3, 3. And over here, we are going to use 4. 4 and 4. And finally, we are going to use 5. 5, 5, 5. And over here a 6. So now this is a table of 3. 3 20s are 60. Now what are we going to do is, I'm going to draw a diamond shape. Okay, I'm going to draw diamond shape and circle the ones which are in the board, like the points. And so as you can see, we will be doing this for both the boxes. Now if you see that this is 6 table. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54 and 6 10s are 60. So this is 6 and 3 table. Now we'll go to the 7th table. In the 7th table, we are going to consider this as first row, second row, third row, first column, second column and third column. For in this table, for ones place, we are going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 for the ones place. For the tens place, what are we going to do is, I'm going to write a 0, 1, 2. Now over here we are going to write 2, 3, 4. And obviously we are going to write 4, 5, 6 and 1, 0 and 7. Now this is the 7 table. As you can see, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63 and 7 10s are 70. So this is the tricks of 3, 6 and 7 tables. Are you clear? I hope so. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.